back again with another YouTube tutorial. So we are going to make enemy now. I'm gonna make a new folder, call it enemy, and sprites first. Over here I already have the assets, just drag that in. I'm gonna make a new game object, and it'll be the enemy. It's the same as collectibles, so I'm gonna give it graphics and boom, there you go. Now the idea here is to make the enemy X like the collectibles, so the enemy will also spawn from here from the right side of the screen, and then it'll fly to the left. Just like collectible, but something that should not be touched. So I'm gonna make another script just for the enemy. Open that. Here we have here. So I'm just gonna go to collectible over here. Just search collectible.cs. Open it up. Just gonna copy all this and paste it here, and we're done. Like legit, we're literally done. Maybe I don't want the enemy to disappear when it touch the player, so I'm gonna delete this. We'll do that thing later, where we'll handle what will happen if the enemy touch the player later, but for now I just need this. Don't forget to save. Call it over here. The collectibles have the speed of 6, right? So maybe the enemy has the speed of 3, say. And I'll give it lifetime. Maybe like 3 seconds. There we go. And we'll make it into a prefab. Drag it over here. Pop. Delete the one over here. After that, make the pulling of state enemies. I'm gonna give it maybe 15. 15 should be enough, right? Deactivate all of it. So here we have pulling, right? For the collectibles, but I'm gonna change the name to pulling collectibles and make another one for the enemies. I'm just reusing old codes for this, so the codes we already have, we can reuse for something else. There we go. And now this is enemies, right? We are also gonna make another spawner just for the enemy. Enemy spawner. Direct the pull over here. Interval is gonna be, I guess, 0.5 is good. Alright. Now if we play, we should be able to see that the enemies are spawning, but yeah, I don't want it to be like that. Every 3 seconds, I guess. The lifetime needs to be 6, I think. Or you know what? I'll make it like 5. This be it. Just to make it faster. Ooh, there you go. Ah! Is it not moving though? I don't get it. Ah, there you go. So it does move. Ooh, spook. Maybe 3 seconds is too much. Make it 1 every second. Oops. There you go. So many enemies. Ah! Okay. Another thing. Here we can, as we already know here, we have the exact same code for a collectible and enemy, right? The one that is very similar to one another is this float function. I think I will want to just make that into the same function, so I'm gonna call it here floater. Maybe not floater, like floater, whatever. Floater. And then make another script for it. Make one script for it. Script floater. Open that. Here I'm gonna cut this, the speed, and then the float function. Just paste it over here, and finally the update function, and boom. Also need this, the desired position, and then there you go. Just save the collectible. I'm still gonna remove the float function from the enemy. There you go. Right. If you go back here, we can assign the floater to enemy. And the speed was like 5 was it? And then go to collectible. Don't forget to assign it to collectible to save. It's actually still alright. The code will still work even if the float function were like 4 being separated. It's for collectible enemies, but I want to make the float function its own script, just to make things more usable in the future. So for example, if I were to make another object and I want it to fly from right to left, but I don't want to make another script for it, I can just drag the floater and give it a speed and it'll be done. I don't need to type any more script now. Anyway, that's it for this tutorial. We've created an enemy that spawns. In the next tutorial, we are going to make how the what will happen if the player touch the enemy. Like maybe the player dies or something like that. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Leave a like and subscribe if you haven't already, and see you next time. Bye bye.